New at 6 in Livingston County, there's a camp for children with special medical needs.
Our Meredith Bruckner takes us to the place in Pinckney that's transforming the lives of thousands of campers and their families.
Here at North Star Reach, kids from all over the Great Lakes region come who have serious health challenges. Now, they're met here with no barriers, and it's at no cost to them. Kids can just come here to be kids.
At first glance, it looks like a classic summer camp, but this place on the shores of Patterson Lake is much more than meets the eye. It's a fully accessible camp for children with medical challenges.
We want our kids and our families to feel like they have some choices in the world, because oftentimes this population, everybody tells them what they need to do, especially in medical care.
Doctors and nurses volunteer their time to staff the camp when it's in session.
It just makes my heart so full to be able to be with these kids and just see the joy on their face every day, to be welcomed with the nurses are here in the morning. It just makes your heart shine.
Its medical center has all the necessary life-saving equipment as a hospital, so even children with complex needs can have a classic camp experience.
Say, for instance, it's cardiac week, and they've had cardiac surgeries, maybe they've had a heart transplant, and they get to camp and they've never been out of their doctor's or their parents' care, and they're a little bit nervous, and they look at the kid next to them and go, oh, hey, like, you want to see my scar? And they lift their shirt up, and the kid's like, hey, I got one just like that. And then within 5 minutes, they're like, oh, let's go swimming. So they totally forget about their scars.
This is the essence of camp. North Star Reach launched in 2016 and runs programs year-round. The University of Michigan leases the organization the land for $1 a year, and it is fully run by donations. Though they've served thousands of campers and families, the camp's leaders say there's still a lot more work they can do.
There's about 75,000 children who could use a place like this right here in Michigan. That's just here in Michigan, and we've served 3,000 of them.
During our visit, the camp was being rented by the Friendship Circle, which provides support and assistance to individuals with special needs across Metro Detroit.
It's incredible watching these campers just enjoy a typical camp experience with their friends, in their cabins, with their groups, the lake, the waterfront, the pool, art and bonfires, and just kind of watching them have this typical camp experience with the volunteers, with their friends, with our incredible staff. It's been amazing to watch.
I'm Eddie's buddy the whole week, and we just hang out from when he wakes up to before he goes to bed.
And Eddie, do you like having her as your buddy?
Yes. North Star Reach Camp allows the kids to just be kids, and like Paul Newman says, to raise a little hell without worrying about their medical needs. And their medical needs are 100% met here, but the kids don't have to worry about it.
We see confidence, we see creativity, we see belief and belonging. And I think that is really something that we all strive for, is kind of that sense of self, but also feeling like we're part of a community. And so when I think about the number of campers that have come through this program and that have grown in ways to become amazing young people, it makes me just feel good about what we do here.
Reporting in Pinckney, Meredith Bruckner, CBS News Detroit.